Hi guys, I'm Mike, your digital skill professional. In this video, I want to show you how to make sales order in Navision as a store manager, as a logistic manager, as a salesperson, as a supply chain manager.
How do you make sales in Navision? You click on sales, then on the bottom, then go to the top left, you click sales order. Click new. And this page will pop up. You fill the necessary information here. Enter your items here. After the approval, you go to what? Post. So this is how to enter sales in Microsoft Navision. Click yes to take your printouts.